Hello, what's up people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I will show you how to fix your speaker. Left side speaker is not working on your iPhone. On my head this is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and if you have 13 Pro or 12 Pro, whatever phone you have, like these phones are having stereo sound system. So for stereo sound system, like on Apple iPhone, there is two speakers, built-in speaker. One is at the top and one is at the bottom right side, and this left side holes are for microphone. Basically there is no built-in speaker at the bottom left side, but we are thinking why there is no sound is coming from left side bottom. Only sound is coming from the right side while playing any music. So no need to worry about this. Actually these holes are for microphone. So now let me show you on my music. Here I'm playing one music and you will get to know. You can see here, if I block this section and this top, no sound is coming here, but if I release this finger, you can see the sound is coming. But if I block this section, so you can see like this microphone section has no sound. So at the top you can also see the sound is coming from this top. So now inside settings and accessibility, we can see here the visual and audio, and inside this option we can adjust our sound system from here. And like if you keep it in the middle, then sound will come stereo, like from the top and from the bottom right side. But if you keep it on the left side, then only bottom side speaker will play, and if you keep it at the right side, then only top speaker will play. So that's it, and thank you for watching guys, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.